A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for grapes, S for horse, I for ice cream, J for jungle, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for swan, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yard, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching video.